Bug splatter on your car's exterior looks unpleasant and can damage your paint. The acids in bug residue harden over time, potentially leaving stains or etching on the surface. Here are some simple and effective methods to remove bug splatter safely from your car without harming the finish. Bug Remover safely removes bug splatter from your car's exterior by using an enzyme-based formula. Start by rinsing the areas of the car with bug buildup to clear away loose dirt. Shake the bottle well, then spray the cleaner generously from the bottom up. Make sure to fully cover the bug-covered areas. Allow it to dwell for up to a minute so the enzymes can break down the bug splatter. Now, spray a light mist of water from your pressure washer to keep the cleaner from drying. Then rinse from top to bottom, starting with the windshield and mirrors and moving down to the hood and front bumper. Gradually bring the pressure washer closer when dealing with tougher bugs. After that, use a bug remover pad along with a high-quality rinseless wash to scrub the surface. This process makes bug splatter removal easy without harming your car's finish. Sonax Insect Remover quickly removes tough bug residue with a fast-acting formula that loosens grime. To use it, simply spray the product directly onto the affected areas. Let it sit for a few minutes to weaken and lift the dried bugs from the surface. After that, rinse the surface with clean water. Most of the bug residue washes away with no scrubbing. This removes tough insect remains and is safe for your car's finish. Bug Off Insect Remover is a paint-safe, powerful spray that dissolves and removes tough bug splatter. First, dilute the product in a 50-50 ratio of insect remover and water. Then rinse the car thoroughly with clean water. Next, spray the product directly onto the affected areas. Let it sit for a few minutes so it can soften and break down the dried bugs. Then scrub the surface with a Jersey scrubber. After that, rinse the surface with clean water to wash away the bug residue. Finally, dry the surface with a towel. This method removes bug splatter quickly and safely. You can use a citrus-based biodegradable degreaser to safely and effectively remove bug residue from clear coat. To use it, shake the can and spray it thoroughly on the affected areas. Let it dwell for a few minutes. Then, take a soft microfiber towel and gently rub the surface. Most of the bugs will come off easily, and a second application can be used for stubborn residue. Afterward, rinse the car thoroughly. This method removes bug splatter quickly with minimal effort. By using these methods, you can safely remove bug splatter from your car and keep your car looking flawless.